Hey guys, hope you're well. So this week is Yorkshire Week. Well, it's actually Yorkshire Day on Saturday, but instead of just celebrating Yorkshire Day, why not let's have a Yorkshire Week where we'll be collaborating with awesome Yorkshire-based producers and businesses. Today I'll be collaborating with a local cheese company called Yorkshire Dama Cheese, and they produce really amazing squeaky cheese, or you can call it like a halloumi-like cheese, and as well as ricotta. Let's get started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to chop up some parsley. I'm going to put all the parsley into a bowl. To that bowl, I'm going to be adding the Yorkshire Dama ricotta cheese. And to our ricotta cheese, we're going to add some Mak Tok sweet chili paste. Now I'm just going to give this a good mix. Now as you're mixing it, try to just gently press the parsley as well, just to release all the flavors into the ricotta cheese. Now you can add this into a salad or couscous if you want. It tastes really good. Let's work with the chicken. Now for the chicken is quite simple. Now I've got a large chicken breast over here, and we're going to slice it into half. Okay, right now we've got a butterfly over here. Just gonna add a pinch of salt. And that's it. Now let's add in our delicious ricotta. Alright, now that's done. Just gonna close this up. There we go. I'm just gonna pop this aside for a bit, and then prepare this next step. Okay guys, for the next step we're gonna slice up the squeaky cheese. There we go. Edge over here. Go all the way down. Now the perfect way to enjoy Yorkshire Dama squeaky cheese was actually to grill it and then just add a bit of sweet chili paste on top. You'll find it amazing because it's salty enough, and the sweet chili paste just gives it a nice zing to it, so it's amazing. So try that out. Okay, get a bowl ready. I'm just gonna crack an egg. Okay. Mix it up with this fork. So now guys, get some flour. Now with the flour, I'm just gonna add a bit onto a plate. Now this is gonna be the dry ingredients for my chicken. What we're gonna do next is take the chicken, okay, now that's done. Let's move it over here to the egg. This is done. I'm just gonna bring it back to the plate that we've got over here. There we go. The next part is to get a baking tray with a baking sheet on top over here. Now this is a special thing that I'm going to be using as well today. Now this thread-like pastry over here, I actually got this from an Asian supermarket that sells halal food. So if you can get to the frozen section or even the chill out, just ask for the pastry to make kanafe. Or nafe. Kanafi. First, now I'm going to put the thread first as the base. What we're going to do next is to bring our chicken on top of it. Yorkshire Dama Squeaky Cheese. Place it on top. And there we go. Now we're going to close it up. All that's left is to pop this in the oven for 25 minutes. Right guys, after 25 minutes, let's go get our chicken out. It looks amazing. I'm just gonna set this over here. Now, what am I gonna call this is chicken in the nest. It's literally chicken in the nest. Okay, I'm just gonna move it to my plate now. Gently and carefully lifting this up. And ooh. There we go. How beautiful is this? All we're gonna do next is just sprinkle it with a bit of smoked paprika. This is just to give it a nice smoky flavor, as well as a dash of red color to it, make it more vibrant. And finally, we're going to garnish it with a bit more parsley. So right now, I've got just this 2 branch of parsley. I'm just going to add it to the sides. There we go. Get it to one side over here. Alright guys, time to tuck in. I'm so excited. Now let's get a good cut. Can you hear that? Oh my gosh. Wow. This is amazing guys. Look, I'm just gonna open it for you guys to show you guys. Look at it. Wow. Beautiful. The blend of the texture is so amazing because you got like a crunchy kind of pastry layer, and then right after that you have a squeaky line from the squeaky cheese, of course. Oh my god, this is so good guys. It tastes a bit like a high quality chicken nugget. Surprisingly, it's so good. If you enjoyed this recipe, why not share the Yorkshire goodness to your friends and family? And if you've got any questions or suggestions, just pop them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! So guys, if you want to get hold of Yorkshire Dama's award-winning cheeses, just go to the link in the descriptions down below and click on it.